Are you tired of pesky mosquitoes ruining your outdoor time? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll show you easy and natural DIY techniques to keep mosquitoes away from your home without using harmful chemicals. First up, a super simple and effective trick: lemon and cloves. Mosquitoes hate the smell of cloves, and when you mix them with lemon, it creates a powerful repellent. Just slice a lemon in half, stick a few cloves into each half, and place them in different corners of a room or outdoor space. Why buy chemical repellents when you can make your own? Just mix 1½ cup of water, 1/2 cup of witch hazel or vinegar, 10 drops of essential oils like citronella, eucalyptus, or lavender. Shake it up and spray it around windows, doors, and outdoor seating areas to keep mosquitoes away. Did you know some plants naturally keep mosquitoes away? Try growing citronella, lavender, basil, or marigolds near your doors and windows. These plants act as natural repellents while also adding beauty to your space. Here's an easy way to trap mosquitoes. You'll need a plastic bottle, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of warm water, 1 teaspoon of yeast. Mix the ingredients, pour them into the bottom half of a plastic bottle, and place the top half upside down like a funnel. Mosquitoes are drawn in but can't escape. Did you know mosquitoes are weak flyers? Just turning on a fan can keep them away while you relax outside. And there you have it. Easy, natural ways to keep mosquitoes away from your home. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY and home hacks. See you in the next video.